Hello students, this is Manjula K, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Computing and IT, GM University, Davangere. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install CodeBlocks IDE on your Windows 11 operating system. So, CodeBlock is one of the most popular IDEs for developing C or C++ program. So let's see how we can install it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for CodeBlocks. And the first link which will appear here will be from codeblocks.org. So you can click the download link on the left hand side and you will reach to this web page. Now in here, you need to click on the download the binary release link. And then on the next page, you can scroll down where you will see the Microsoft section and we want to install CodeBlocks with MinGW compiler. So we are going to select this link which says CodeBlocks and the version at the time of making this video, the latest version is 20.03 and which also includes the name MinGW setup, right? So what it's going to do is it's going to install the code blocks with MinGW. MinGW is a compiler which will help you to compile and run your C or C++ programs. That's why we want to install code blocks with MinGW. So you can select any link in front of this MinGW setup. I'm going to select the sourcewatch.net link which is going to start the download of this exe file. So just wait for this download to complete. So once this executable file is downloaded, we are going to click on this executable file and I am going to minimize the browser. And first of all, you will see this warning which says, do you want to allow this app from unknown publisher to make changes on your device? I trust this app, so I'm going to click on yes here and it's going to start the installation of CodeBlocks on your Windows operating system. So on the first window, you just need to click on the next button and here you will see the license terms and conditions. So if you agree with the license terms and conditions, click on I agree. And then CodeBlocks is going to install all these things on your Windows operating system. So just leave everything as default and then click on next. And this will be the location where CodeBlock will be installed. So if you don't have the good reason to change this location, just leave it as default and then click on next, which is going to start the installation process. So at this point, you just need to wait for this progress bar to reach to the 100% mark. So I'm going to wait for that and now at the end, CodeBlock is going to ask you, do you want to run CodeBlocks now? I'm going to click on yes here, which is going to complete the installation process. You can see the installation process has been completed. So I'm going to click on next here and then I'm going to click on finish. And because we have just clicked that button, which is going to launch this CodeBlocks and also will be able to see this window which says GNU GCC compiler detected. So because we have downloaded the CodeBlocks with MinGW setup. That's why you can see the compiler is GCC compiler and the status here is detected. You can click on OK here. And now you can see that CodeBlocks IDE has been launched. And you might also see this warning which says CodeBlock is currently not the default application for C and C++ source file. If you want to create the association, you can click on these radio buttons. But for now, I'm going to leave it as default and click on OK. And first of all, you can also see that this CodeBlocks shortcut icon is created on my desktop. So let's see. Create a very simple C program on our CodeBlocks IDE and let's see whether it's working or not. So to create a new project, click on the file, the new and then click on project and from here you can choose different kind of project. So we want to create a console application. So I'm going to click on console application and then click on OK. And then I'm going to click on next here. Choose the folder where you want to save the project. So I'm going to save my project on my documents folder, and also you will be able to see the resulting file name here, which will be inside the folder which you have selected here. I'm going to click on next here, and then you can select the compiler from this list, and in our case we need to choose the GNC GCC compiler, which was automatically detected, and then click on finish, and it's going to create a very simple program for us. For the next session, we discuss about how to write and execute and debug the C program. Thank you.